Okay, let's talk about how to set up the running testing environment. Okay, so first go to this MIT App Inventor web page. Go to this resource, and there has a menu called Get Started. Okay, so and then go to the first link, set up instruction for testing. Okay, so this one will set up your phone, no matter your Android phone, your iPhone, or your user computer for the live testing. So, or you can use an emulator if you don't have any mobile device. Okay, so click the set up instruction for testing. You have several options to test your app using your phone or your computer. Okay, so if you have there has several options. Okay, so if you have an iPhone or Android phone and you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can use this option 1. If you don't have the mobile device, you can install the emulator on your computer. Okay, so we will talk about option 1 and option 3. Okay, so for the option 1, so this one is easiest way to testing your app using your phone. Okay, so when you try using your phone or your tablets to test your app, you go into this option 1. Okay, so this is when you click this link. Okay, so then we talk about testing. So to test your app as you create it, follow these steps. So if you have Android phone, okay, if you have Android phone, go to Google Play, download the app called MIT AI2 Companion. Okay, download this app, go to the Google Store, download this one. Okay, so if you have an Apple phone, okay, go to the Apple Store, download this called MIT App Inventor, download this app. Okay, so first you need to use your phone to download this app and install this app on your computer. And then what do you need to do? And the second step is to using your phone to testing your app. So you must connect both your computer, the computer you use to develop the app, and your device to the same Wi-Fi network. So must be the same Wi-Fi network. So for example, if you are home, your phone and your computer must log in to use the same Wi-Fi. If you are in school, your phone, if you're using it, for example, if you are in school, your computer using the NGCU network, so Wi-Fi network, then your phone is also must use the NGCU Wi-Fi network. So make sure before you test it, make sure you phone and your computer in the same Wi-Fi network. This is very, very important. Okay, so if it's not same network, this option will not work. Okay, so then what do you need to do? After you create your app and you start testing, okay, so you click this connect and use AI companion, click this AI companion. So after you click this AI companion, and you will get this barcode, okay, your computer will generate this barcode. And then you open, take your phone and use your phone using this MIT App Inventor app in your phone, and then you can scan the barcode. Then your app will be runs on your phone. Okay, so this is first how you set up live testing using your mobile device. Okay, so if you don't want to use your, this one is highly recommended, okay, because using your phone to test in the app, and so your app can access all the sensors in your phone. So, but if you use a computer, your computer, the emulator might not might not have this full functionality. Okay, so if you want to install this emulator on your computer to test your app, okay, so you go to option 3. Okay, so it's look like this. When you build up the app, and then you can use this tested app live on your computer with this on-screen emulator. You click this instruction. Okay, so first you need to install the App Inventor setup software. Okay, so if you use a Mac, click this link and choose an installer. After you have this installer, and follow and double click to install this App Inventor setup software. Okay, so follow the instruction and keep going. So after you install this App Inventor software, if you use a Mac, and they will ask you, your Mac will need to be restart. Okay, will need to be restart. So make sure you can make sure this will be fully, and after you restart your computer, now you can use the this emulator on your Mac immediately. You don't need to worry about anything else. Okay, so if you're using the Windows, okay, so going to the click this link, install the App Inventor setup on the Windows. Okay, first download this. Wait a second. Yeah, you need to download the Windows driver. Okay. No. Yeah, download this installer, and after you download this installer and open the file and follow the instruction to install this software on your computer. Okay, so after you have installed the App Inventor setup software, okay, so the next step is, if you use a Mac, you're ready to go. If you're using a Windows or the Linux machine, you need, before you're using the emulator, you need to launch the AI starter. Okay, so if you using the emulator or the USB keyboard, require the use of the program named AI Starter. This program is a helper that permits the browser to communicate with the emulator or USB keyboard. So AI Starter program was installed when you install the App Inventor setup. Okay, so if you use a Mac, you don't need to worry about that, because on the Mac, the AI Starter will be started automatically when you log into your account, and then that will be runs on your background. You don't worry about that. But if you have Windows, okay, if you use a Windows, there will be the shortcut to the AI Starter from your desktop or from your start menu. Okay, find out the AI Starter icon on your window, on your start menu, or on your desktop. Okay. Okay, and then before you using the Windows emulator, you need to first find this AI Starter, double click, and double click this icon, double click, you can launch the AI Starter on your Windows machine. Okay, so when you see this window, you are ready to go. Okay, so after you have everything ready, okay, after you have this App Inventor setup software installed. Okay, so now you're trying to testing your app. Okay, so go into the connection, click this emulator. Okay, so now you can testing your app using emulator. Okay, so when you click the emulator, and you will got this small window shows you emulator started waiting, and so that will take a pretty long time. It's definitely more than 10 seconds. Just be patient, wait until your virtual phone appeared. Okay, so wait all the way, wait until you got your app shows in the app you developed shows in this virtual phone. and then you can test them. If you make change and make any change, your the change will be appear in your virtual phone. Okay, so okay, let's yeah, that's all for how to set up emulator and how to testing your app using your mobile device by install the MIT App Inventor app to your phone. Okay, so that's all.